Hi, my YouTube friends. TeresaLouise here. Thanks for stopping in. Today, I've got my sew sampler box. I know. I'm shocked. This is the box from November. Some of you who watch may already subscribe to the sew sampler, and you may know this already, but they didn't get all of the shipment that they were supposed to get, one of the items that were in the box. So some people got the box and other people had to wait. So it just got here today. So I had to wait a long time. I should get extra present in here, piece of candy or something, right? So let's take a look. I doubt it. I doubt if I have any candy. And you probably already know what's in this, but I'm going to share it with you anyway. Woodland Romance for November. And looks like we're getting 15% off of jelly rolls or 2.5-inch strips. Huh. Very nice. That's a good discount. Okay. And here's what the box looks like. I got some of the stuff hiding back there. Okay, so this is a quilting subscription box. Comes out every month, usually around the 20th of the month. It's $24.95, $99, something like that, and you pay shipping $4.99 or $4.95. Boy, I just really know. And then they had to start charging tax, and I live in a tax state, so I paid right around $32, I believe, for this. And you always get a nice little card. Folds up, it tells you what's in the box and gives you all the prices. So I'll set that aside and let's take a look. Oh, we got a little bobbin boat, pretty color, and that is $4.48, that little bobbin boat. Very nice. This will be handy like when you go to sewing day or, you know, sewing retreat, just to have a few bobbins in your take on stuff, you know what I mean. Your sewing box. So nice color, I like that. Ooh, these are pretty. Duck-billed scissors. Let me take them out of there, out of the glare. These are $14.98. Love the color. And these are by the Gypsy Quilter. They're 4-inch scissors with 1/2 inch wide bill. Pretty nice. They don't feel serrated. Those are okay. I like those. I really like the color. Ooh, hey, look at this. We got a mini cut and press. Look at that. That's cute. Boy, that is mini. So you can press on this side and flip it over and cut on that side. And this is $16.24. Looks like 5-inch. So from these lines is 5 inches. Pretty small. Let's see what a iron looks like on there. I'm not going to unroll it, but well, it does fit. Well, here again, I think this would be a great little thing to take to your sewing day or quilt retreat or something. I've been wanting to try one of these. I heard that they weren't very stable on the when you flip them over. You know, I'll show you what I mean. Like to cut. But could be. I'll have to try it out. See, it'll slide down. And I don't know if this is I don't think it is. In fact, it has a kind of a roughness to it. I don't think this is self-healing. No, it doesn't say it is, so well, I'll give her a try. Okay, and then what kind of fabric did we get? Let's see. This is Folktale Layla Boutique from Moda Fabrics. Very nice. You guys may know I like Layla Boutique. And I'm not going to take it off this time. But they're very pretty. Get a couple of those. Oh, that's on a peach background. A little darker one. And then a green. Ooh, I wish I would have got a whole jelly roll. Well, maybe I can use my 15% off and get the whole jelly roll. And then a white one. Very nice color, nice colors, nice fall colors. Ooh, look at that one's pretty. I love the fabric with the little teeny flowers. And this has got little teeny polka dots too, white polka dots. Very nice. Green one. Brown. And then some polka dots. Different colors of polka dots. And we have a stripe. And another stripe. And that's it. And this, very nice. And it retails for $19.98. And you get 20 pieces by with the fabric. I might as well have taken that out because now it's all all smushed. I'm going to have to undo it anyway. So, all right, and let's take a look at this pattern. Feeling Pine quilt pattern. So I guess those are supposed to look like pine cones. And then the other block on it looks like a friendship star. Okay. And they give you, so with this jelly roll and some other fabric, you're going to get 54 by 64. And if you had two of these, you could get a 74 by 84. So they give you two different sizes. That's really nice. And let's see. Yeah, so what do you guys think of this pattern? I don't know. I'm not too crazy about that pattern. Okay. Oh, the block of the month, which is still the greatest hits. Looks like that. And this is probably $4.98. Let's see. Yep, $4.98, and the other pattern is $9.98. So, what do we got all together? Let me add it up real quick. $9.98, $4.98. Fabric was $19.98. Scissors $14.98. Little bobbin holder for $48, and the pressing cutting mat $16.24. So $70.64 worth of value, and I paid $32. Whoops. So about $38 discount. Pretty good deal. So what do you guys think of this box? I really love the fabric. This is, you know, I'd be happy to give this a try. Like I said, I've been thinking about getting one of these, so yeah, it'd be nice to try it out. And I think it'll be pretty handy. And this looks like it's pretty soft, bobbin boat. And I can always use the scissors. I love scissors. All right, you guys, thanks for stopping in, and till next time, get out there and make something. Have a great day. Bye for now.